Not much for soda myself, but sure, why not?
Excellent! What I need is something bold, unique, possibly lethal. A little danger in every sip. Anybody can mix lemons and limes. We need to go elemental. First, head to the Shrine of Lightning. If the Sacred Lightning Crystal doesn't give this drink the sizzle and fizz it needs, nothing will. Oh, and don't worry about looting the so-called sacred shrines. No one really cares, probably. Besides, it's for the greater good, perhaps. The shrine is as dead as a very dead dog. It used to absolutely crackle with pulsing electricity and bright light. You'll need to find a way to recharge it.
Tina, how does one charge a shrine exactly?
You just run at it real fast and yell, "Charge!" Nah, I'm just jesting. But riddle me this! When the power flows throughout, the crystal will be thine. But it cannot get from A to B through all of these entanglings.
Frost Dagger!
Fine! Yes, of course. We need to clear out the overgrowth.
End of the round, fool!
That's doing the trick.
Bow before truth! Yes! Almost there! Just keep hacking!
Quite the collection.
You did it! Grab that crystal! I am the Dragon Lord's claw hand! Excellent start! That crystal of lightning is going to give us more fizz than anything else on the market! But this alone won't move product. There are 3 more shrines in town, and each contains the elemental crystal I need. Those crystals will make this new cola the one to beat! Now I've just gotta think of the perfect name.
Sisters, dinner!
No, that's the good stuff.
There, the soft one.
Falling ice!
All the best-selling colas have a little kick. And if a little is good, then a lot is better. The Crystal of Fire is just what we need to really Lights out at the Fire Shrine too, huh? You'll have to charge that Fire Crystal somehow.
You trace upon sacred ground to the earth. You will burn!
Uh-oh. Oh! That doesn't sound like a welcoming Killing that Fire Lord restored some power to the shrine! Keep taking them out! Oh, I've got one! Flame! Ha! Get burned! Nah, I'll keep workshopping that one.
See that puzzle? Yeah, I made that just for you.
Everybody advertises nice cold soda. Duh, it's played out. But soda with the power of frost. That's gonna raise some eyebrows. Then freeze some and shatter them off people's faces. Holy flap spackle! Somebody cranked this right up to 11. You'll need to find a way to discharge some of the excess frost energy so you can take that crystal. Try to find out what's powering the storm.
Piercing cold!
Perfect! But that didn't get all of it. There must be some other hapless fools around here somewhere. Yes! Almost there! Look around for more!
Was wondering when more you would turn up. Bad luck or bad choices. Dead all the same.
Got it! You should be able to take the crystal now. What's cooler than cool? Frosty Fizzies! Huh? Huh? Duh, you're right. Needs work.
We all die eventually. Why not get ahead of the rush?
All the best sodas rot the crap out of your teeth. Not exactly a selling point, I know, but it's just not soda without it. The crystal of poison is powerful enough to dissolve a whole... Huh. Looks like this one will be easy peasy. Just go ahead and grab that crystal.
Stay the hell back, whoever you are. This is my shrine now, and the crystal's gonna look sick hanging in my entryway. Now beat it. We've got some redecorating to do.
Jock, crap, Cyclops is... What's the plural of Cyclops? God, never mind that now. It looks like they've taken the crystal of poison. Huh. What do you call a group of Cyclopses? You know how a bunch of crows is a murder? I don't know, like a wink maybe? A wink of Cyclopses?
Get casting and blasting! gone the other way.
Cyclopsi are worthless! You're just going to let this bozo waltz in here while I'm renovating the place? Shut that loser down!
Cyclopsi? That doesn't sound right.
Gonna need more magic! More like it! Might have lived if you'd run.
Fine then. I guess I'll have to do this myself.
What am I feeding you? Am I supposed to?
Ooh, what about enamel eviscerator? That's so good. No. That doesn't sound very appetizing. That's it! That's everything we need to start making Poppily Ever After! No. Looks good on paper. Come on back and we can get started. You're back! Follow me to the brewing altar. I've started with some basic magical brewing components, but it's time to add the crystals and make this soda really pop. Get it? Get it? Never mind. Go on, put the crystals on the pillars. I'm gonna hang back for no particular reason other than my own safety. Shot for Fizz! Really makes the mouth crackle. Nothing makes soda colder than frost. Ice is for suckers. That'll get those teeth sizzling. Fire will add a little pizzazz. What the? Oh no! Kill it, Brave Warrior! Kill it! That was close. Thanks for taking care of that thing. But I think I know where I went wrong. We have 4 elements. We just need one more.
I'm not drinking.
And thus the brave soda-smith Korbin sacrificed his own selfie self to make a perfect fizzy drink, cementing his legacy forever. Take this gift to remember him by.
But wait, what was the last element?
It was love, Valentine. The love of soda.
Oh. Neat!